Come and join me for the Python in Pieces online summer coding camp, offering an interactive and engaging coding experience for pupils during the summer holidays. Python is a text-based programming language, and not only is it used in schools around the UK and beyond, but is also used to create many of the apps and websites which we use every day. As pupils progress from primary into secondary education, they transition from using block-based programming languages such as Scratch and 2Code part of Purple Mash to using text-based programming languages. Python is a perfect introduction to this, as its readability is far easier than other text-based programming languages. Not only do children enjoy coding, but it is also providing them with a valuable skill for life. Nowadays, so many different industries rely upon coding as being an essential skill of their workforce. Also, when children are coding, they are developing their ability to utilise computational thinking and to problem solve, skills which are so useful in all elements of life. Python in Pieces by 2Simple is the perfect tool to introduce pupils to the programming language of Python, as it allows children the ability to easily translate both ways between block-based coding and Python. The Python in Pieces Summer Coding Camp is completely free for any school or any parent who wishes to sign up. You do not need to be an existing Python in Pieces subscriber. Throughout the holidays, you will be sent a series of tasks, and these will get progressively more difficult. And through these series of fun and educational activities, the participants will learn the fundamentals of Python whilst building a range of exciting projects. Sign up now for the Python in Pieces Coding Camp and get your kids coding this summer.